Hello everyone. Today was a very interesting day in the market. Everything that we expected from the market, आया. What did we expect? Gap up होगा. Gap up के बाद क्या होगा? We don't know. Either it's going to go up or it's going to come down. But we know that एक बार gap fill हो गया. We are supposed to look for long opportunities and when in the second half of the market. I told all of this in the Telegram group of people wondering कहाँ बोला तूने प्रणीत. And yeah, the link is in the description. You can join the Telegram group. So anyways, what do you do after the second half? You look for evident breakouts. Normal trend line खींचो breakout आया. Obviously potential gain of 300 points, but you can't get the whole 300 points. Impossible. So anyways, 100 points you got, lovely. Anything, even if you didn't get a loss, lovely. Even if you get a loss, it's fine. But yeah, after that, what happened? Market started peaking down, and what is the easiest strategy I've told you? That's right now in the market. 2 p.m. selling karo na yaar. Q, don't complicate things. Come see the 145. Look at the charts. You see that there's a trend line, a very evident trend. Ask the trend line was so good. When the trend line breaks, you go short. Potential profit, yeah. Again, 240. But 240, we're getting 100 points more than enough. But yeah. So now let's talk about what can be expected tomorrow in the market. So the very first thing, we see a breakdown in Bank Nifty. And let me tell you something that I have witnessed and the little experience I have of the market. जब भी expiry होता है and you get a breakout or a breakdown in expiry, the breakout or breakdown is a fake out. I wouldn't say it's a trap, but it's usually a fake out. So can we be bearish सीधा tomorrow morning 9:15? No. Now it depends market कहाँ खुलता है. अगर market flat खुल रहा है and ये low टूट गया, then I'll be bearish. As in I'll have the view of bearishness. And I'll look for short opportunities. ऐसा नहीं कि low टूट गया and I'll go short. That's not how I trade. That's not how I'd advise anyone to trade. And if the market opens gap up, again, depend करता है कहाँ खुल रहा है. Now, what is our high? What is our, see, these two are a high. Okay? This one is a high. But what would I wait for is any 15-minute candle closing above this point will make me bullish. Will I go long अगर candle यहाँ पे close होता है? No. I'm just going to be bullish in terms of mindset. I'll look for bullish opportunities after that. So also there's one thing that I want you to understand. Market ने major bottom अभी क्या है market का? ये है major bottom. Can the market give you a V-shaped recovery? Cannot give you. Don't expect a V-shaped recovery. Rather, क्या हो सकता है, or what I'm anticipating in coming days is market ऊपर जाएगा. We'll again get a W. We'll get a double bottom. We'll get a higher low. And this higher low pay, I want you to go heavy. I don't want you to go heavy, but I want to go heavy. And I want you to see it out at least. If you've never traded in double tops, witness देखो क्या होता है. And it's not कि it's 100 sure you're going to win. There are chances you might lose. But again, you have your stop loss. That's why your stop loss is. And stop loss is get out. So that's another thing. That's another story. And then the second bottom, I'll actually make an investing video, as in what do you look at while investing? What should you look at while investing? Because that's a crucial time in the market where I need to accumulate. You should still accumulate right now, but that is a very crucial time because that, according to me, is one of the very, very major bottoms that can be created in the market. So again, you got my view. ये अगर ये range में आ रहा है ना market, ये range में अगर market घूम रहा है, don't trade. Let this be a no trading zone. The market has been very volatile. There are chances कि sideways हो सकता है, but sideways होना था तो आज हो जाता. Anyways, so this is for Bank Nifty. For Nifty, I'll tell you why I'm not bearish in the market. We're not bearish in Bank Nifty. It's because of Nifty. Nifty क्या किया आज? Consolidate किया है, but it closed above 17,000. Or 17,000 or any other whole number like 17,000, 18,000, even 17,500, but especially 17,000, 18,000, 35,000. All of these are very, very crucial psychological levels. अगर देखो market technical analysis है वगैरह, but the main thing, the whole market runs on sentiments and psychology. And when a market closes above a whole number, the whole market be like, oh, now it's bullish, now it's bearish. So this 17,000 closing, above 17,000 closing is basically telling ki bhai bulls are back. All right, another thing I want you to know is that tomorrow is Friday. US markets are closed. Chances we'll have less FII activity. Also, आज का देखा FII selling 270 crores. They are getting weaker. It doesn't mean that they won't sell tomorrow. I don't know how much funds they have, but again, देखो observe करो market को. Also, there's another data that came out on US. Yeah, jobless claims or something. So how I view data is right that I do not understand data in depth. I do not understand how it is calculated, क्या हुआ वगैरह. I don't track that. What I see is estimate क्या था, actual क्या आया. So I know कि is the market shocked with the yeah, because it's estimated, it's already priced in. Now I wanted to know something कि जब तुमको news आता है ना, you're the last person to receive the news. Even I'm the last person to receive the news, especially when the news is made public, and that's how most of the news comes to us. तो न्यूज़ पे कभी ट्रेड मत करो because ये जो न्यूज़ होता है ना पहले किसके जाता है, people who have huge sums of money. What do? They already act in the news. तो जब न्यूज़ बाहर आता है ना, it's already factored in. So you know the whole thing, buy the rumor, sell the fact, वही तो होता रहता है. So that's the thing though, don't trade on news, but I'm just telling you what you can do is instead, if you actually want to trade on news वगैरह, look at estimates and look at the actual figure. Estimates X है, actual Y आया, you should know the relation कि क्या हो सकता है, and that's why you can trade on. But plain simple news, don't trade. It's most of the times it's already factored in. So anyways, Nifty का all these pink shades are resistance and support. ये resistance. Again, Bank Nifty, where do we go long? Where can we go long? What is the most evident closing? देख रहे हो यहाँ पे resistance देख रहे हो closing के time. Wait for a candle to close above this level. A 15-minute candle or after 9:30 any 5-minute candle also closing. Look for long opportunities. Do not go long. Okay, understand? Closing के time हमें long नहीं जाना है. हमें बस पहले अपना mindset डालना है market में. Are we bullish today? Are we bearish today? Again, where can we look bearish? नीचे. It's very evident, don't you think? So yeah, यहाँ पे नीचे we have the mindset of bearishness, and then we look for shorting setups. And what will be your target if you're going short? Gap से थोड़ा ऊपर, कभी dot to dot gap मत डालना, because like you, like me, a lot of people out there are waiting for the gap, and because people know this, क्या करेंगे? Market will come till here and just go reverse. So that's the thing. Gap पे कभी directly मत डालना. And long का also is very evident, right? Can you see this evident resistance? So a little bit below it, thoda buffer डालो. So that's for Bank Nifty. Another thing I wanted to know about Nifty. Some of you might have noticed, and those who have noticed, lovely. That's how you should view the markets. क्या बन रहा है Nifty में? Rising wedge. What is a rising wedge? It's a bearish in pattern, you could say. अगर price गिर रहा है, later when the price comes up, क्या होता है? पहले देखो, पहले the range is higher and then it keeps contracting, and after that it breaks down and again the bearish trend is continued. So am I telling you that this is possible? So does this mean कि होगा? नहीं, I'm just telling you. If there's a breakdown, there's a possibility कि हो सकता है. And like I told you in the same case of Bank Nifty, V-shaped recovery, don't expect. Expect the market to come up, come a bit lower, and then rise if it has to rise. So again, this is an important thing. And let me tell you one more thing. कि यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है ना, the market ये it has consolidated a lot. तो अगर अभी जो भी next candle बनेगा is going to be made outside this only. So don't go short over here or somewhere. Like don't go short at this point or something. Because अभी जो भी candle बनेगा is going to be out of this range. So shorting, like I told you, if you're looking for shorting, let a candle close below this. Let mindset बनाओ पहले कि आज buying करना है, selling करना है. For that, watch the market थोड़ा start में. Don't rush into a trade. And let's थोड़ा look into banks, because Bank Nifty कौन चलाता है? HDFC, ICICI, Kotak, SBI, Axis. So we were just looking at HDFC. Bearish pattern though है. We have a, what do you say, double top, don't we? We have a double top support paper. तोड़ेगा, then it's a bearish thing. Same with ICICI Bank. Support. Crucial thing, right? क्या होने वाला है पे? एक second, I don't have volume here. So sorry for that. आगे का volume. आ गया. Look at the volume. Nothing as compared to the previous volume, right? Even over here. So ठीक है, we'll see what happens once it breaks down. तब तक शॉल चल. Now Reliance is an interesting case. Reliance ऊपर गया तो क्या जाए? What index grew up? Nifty it consists almost 10.5%. Reliance में क्या सीन है? एक breakout आ चुका है from trend line, right? And now what can happen in Reliance? I want you to understand why I'm doing Reliance, because Reliance moves up, Nifty is also going to move up. ये क्या बन रहा है यहाँ पे? Triangle formation. Evidence supports, right? Evident trend line rejection over here. Now, if Nifty has to move up, even Reliance needs to break out. So if Reliance gives us a candle, which can show that bullishness aa sakta hai. And when it'll do that, see another thing. Again, I told you it's a triangle, but you must be knowing there's also another pattern. Flag, bullish flag. मैंने ऐसे वेज बताया. वेज में क्या होता है? कॉन्ट्रैक्शन होता है, एक एंगल होता है. फ्लैग में उतना एंगल नहीं होता है. यूजुअली ऐसे बनते हैं. सो अगेन ये ब्रेकआउट आया, देयर आर चांसेस that the market can go up. Again, chances, but chances on your side of it being bullish. So that's it for tomorrow's tomorrow's market. I'd say कि light trade करो. End of the year है, vacation है, and all the best for tomorrow.